Policeman killed during robbery at gas station in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is mourning the murder of a police corporal who was gunned down at the intersection of West Avenue and Beechwood Avenue in Kingston 5 on Friday, December the 6th. He has been identified as 47-year-old Corporal Christopher Simmet. Reports from the Halfway Tree Criminal Investigation Branch are that at around 10:54 p.m., Simmet drove his private motor car to a petrol station in the area to purchase fuel, unknowingly entering an active robbery scene. While he was waiting to be served, one of the robbers attacked him and shot him several times. Members of the public assisted Corporal Simmet to the hospital, however he died while undergoing treatment. A CCTV footage of the robbery is being circulated on social media, which depicts an individual holding up one of the pump attendants and demanding cash. It was at this time the police officer drove by and he was shot.
Jesus Christ, make it see them. Watch him, man.
You know, see the boy that walking
Watch
with
him,
man
man.
clean as day that you don't see that. See them pull the door upon him. See them. Shit. See them grab it up. See them grab the gun in my fan.
Grab it.
Zoom out, see if you can catch a plate. Zoom out. See if you can catch a plate. Zoom out.
You see a boy run come from this, we never did it in
No,
the
man, the tree. I'm on a tree. See that.
Might have to take it from another.
Alright, give me another camera and see if we can get that now.
Alright, exit camera that.
Time.
The Police High Command has directed the Chaplaincy Services Branch and the Community Safety and Security Branch to provide support to Corporal Simmet family and colleagues. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast.